So yes guys, welcome back to Geek Guild, and today we will be doing coding for C++. So yes, and this is the first video of C++. So yes, we will be printing hello world. It will be very obvious thing for you now. And if you want any other videos, any other tutorials, then you can just hop into the description below to get all the information, and all the codes I am writing in here will be available in the description as well. So just go there and you can get all the information. So let's get started with coding in C++. First off, we'll be printing hello world in the first program. So let's start writing, and as you can see, we have already included the IO stream package for the printing statement in C++. Okay, so we need to write now the printing statement, right, which will be std, then we'll put a double colon, and then COUT, and then we need to write not enter, my bad, but then hello world, right? Now let's see if the program runs or not. Yes, the program works absolutely fine. So this is how you print hello world in C++. Thank you for joining, and love from Geek Guides.